Hello again, welcome to my video series 2. Today I'm going to explore building block of IoT. So look, there are two worlds. Number one is physical world, and on the other side there is virtual world. The physical world where you guys are staying, there is on surrounding you have light, you have air pressure, you have temperature and many other parameters. We call it ambient parameters. So and on other side, virtual world is the world of our computer world, where we have applications, we have data, we have cloud, mobile apps, web servers, and those are the things. And to connect both worlds together, there is a communication network. So IoT is developed as a package with integration of various technologies. Each technology has its own principal role within the IoT system. IoT allows things in the physical world to interact with the virtual world, like cloud services, platform and application, through a communication network. So this would be communication network, and that could be wired or wireless. Okay, never mind. So gateway may also process the data and raise alerts. So when those sensors sends data to gateway, this is a small computer. So sometimes they process it and they might raise alert. For example, if temperature is high, let's suppose we say temperature is more than 30 degrees centigrade, and it will raise an alert and turn on AC. One other important role of the gateway is that it obscures the sensor data from the public. Okay, so this is our wireless sensor network, and there is gateway, and there is cloud, internet. So anyone from the internet, they cannot access those sensors directly. They have to pass to gateway and then can interact. So they cannot directly interact with this. So we can say gateway obscure our sensor nodes. So it like gateway acts as a firewall. And this is the scenario. Communication with other devices through a gateway. It can happen. We can also do without gateway as well. So when we can have a system without gateway, when your wireless sensor network and the internet, they are using same protocol, then we don't need the gateway. Alright, this was my second lecture. I'll see you soon with third lecture.